Hello everyone, today I will show you how to deskew a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Select File option and select Open and open your PDF file from computer. Select Browse. This is my deskew PDF file and see this. I'll make this text deskew. Select Page Layout option and this is Auto Deskew option. Click here. You can deskew all page or a specific page range or current page. I select all page only. Now select Auto Deskew and see this. This text now deskew. Yeah. In this you can deskew all of the pages from a PDF and finally select this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.